In this video, I will show you how to add Google Calendar to your Wix website. First, log into your Google Calendar account. Then, once in, on the upper right ribbon, click on Settings and go to it. Now you can choose from your existing calendars on the bottom left. Click on one. After that, scroll down until you see Embed Code. Now you just need to copy this code. After that, go to your Wix website editor. Now on the left panel, click Add Elements. Then, choose on Embed Code and click Embed HTML. Now you just need to paste in your code from Google Calendar and click Update. After that, your Google Calendar will appear to your Wix website. You just need to customize or stretch it to fit your layout. And that's it. That's how you add a Google Calendar to your Wix website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.